Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really exciting project, browser use, a tool that lets AI agents control web browsers. It's game-changing stuff.
Whoa, AI controlling browsers? That sounds intensely powerful and potentially a little scary, depending on how it's used. What's the core idea here?
Exactly. The core is making websites accessible to AI. Think about it. Currently, AI is mostly text-based. Browser use bridges that gap, letting AI interact with websites directly. Clicking buttons, filling forms, extracting data, the whole shebang.
So instead of just scraping text, I can actually use the website like a human would? That's a huge leap forward. I see.
Precisely. And the best part? It's surprisingly straightforward to use. They've got a fantastic quick start guide. You use Dell. You install Playwright, then you use their agent class with LangChain and OpenAI, and boom, you're automating browser actions with your LLM of choice.
So you're saying I could write a prompt like, buy me a plane ticket to Hawaii, and browser use would actually book it? Amazing.
Theoretically, yes. Of course, you'd need to handle payment details and security separately, but the core interaction with the booking site is handled. They have examples showing it adding items to a shopping cart, applying for jobs, even writing letters in Google Docs.
Wait, writing letters? That's unexpected. I mean, the shopping and job applications make sense, but a letter? That's a pretty complex task for an AI to handle through a browser.
Yeah, it's a great example of the potential. It highlights how browser use isn't just about simple tasks. It's about giving AI the ability to perform complex, multi-step actions across different websites. It's incredibly versatile.
It's also a bit concerning, though, isn't it? The potential for misuse is pretty significant. Imagine malicious actors using this to automate attacks or spread misinformation.
You're absolutely right. That's a crucial point. The power of this technology needs to be handled responsibly. But the project itself is open source, so the community can help identify and address potential vulnerabilities. And the developers are actively working on improving security and adding features to make it more robust.
That's good to hear. So what's next for browser use? What are they working on?
They have a detailed roadmap. They're focusing on improving the agent's memory, planning capabilities, and reducing token consumption. They're also working on better DOM extraction, especially for tricky elements like date pickers and dropdowns. And they're even creating data sets to benchmark different models and fine-tune them for specific tasks.
It sounds like they're thinking ahead. This is a really ambitious project, and it's exciting to see it develop. The potential applications are huge, from automating tedious tasks to creating entirely new kinds of AI-powered tools.
Absolutely. It's a fascinating project that's pushing the boundaries of AI and web interaction. And remember, you can check out their GitHub page, join their Discord community, and even contribute to the project yourself.
Definitely worth checking out. Thanks for bringing this to our attention.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.